This is a 2006 Chevrolet Avalanche, made for the job site, the trail, and the town. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include adjustable driver pedals, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, leather seats, cruise control, steering wheel controls, a premium audio system, a multi-disc CD player, traction control and stability control systems, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has fewer than 61,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.